Welcome to Mitchell's cooking show, called Mitchell's Cooking Show. Today we're making, what was it called?
M&M Yummies.
M&M Yummies. You're gonna need Nestle's Milo Energy Dairy Snack, mini M&Ms. You don't have to get the bag, and some form of measuring. First, you want to start off with one of the Milo Energy Dairy Snacks. You're gonna want to open it up, obviously. Lick this part is good. Then you're gonna want to open up your M&Ms. Get about a tablespoon thingy. Grab about 2 of this. This is half a tablespoon, I think. Get a spoon of your choice and enjoy.